You're really doing it.
It's really sawing.
You're really sawing.
It takes a long time. It's really sawing. I should have brought that 46 horsepower Tree Zanger Matic.
Atlas, why don't you go help?
Yep. He's helping all right.
I'm sweating a little.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Taking a break.
Hey, hey, hey.
Taking a break?
Yep.
So that habanero's coming out. He's sweating that stuff out.
It's a pain in the ass cutting these damn things down.
How far through are you?
I don't know. I think I'm like halfway.
Oh, that's not bad.
You're really doing a good job.
You can take the chainsaw out and then make a nice
Do you want me to help you?
Oh, I got it.